Today I will be stripping this emerald green color I did a while back. I will be going to blonde, and then once I get her all blonde, I'm going to give her a new look. She's going to look just like my favorite little pony. So if you'd like to see how I did it, stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. Today I will be stripping this emerald green color that I did back in February, and we're going to give her a whole new look. So I have to strip it first, I have to take it to blonde, and then I'm going to take it to her new look, which is inspired by my favorite My Little Pony. Hey, she said I could do whatever I want. So before we get started, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Maybe you'll stick around and do me a huge favor. Subscribe, like, and comment. It's free, won't cost you nothing, and I'd really appreciate it. But if you are returning, welcome back, my superstars. Okay, let's dig right in. So right now I am giving her a bleach bath that is going to strip this green color. In February, first of all, let me give you a backdrop on this client. She's had every color in the book. She loves color. I've colored it every color. And lastly, she wanted this green. I begged her not to get it, but she wanted it, so I did it. And now we're changing it. And since she made me do the green, she said I could do anything I wanted today. And I told her I wanted to do a purple rainbow because purple is my favorite color. So as I said, I'm doing a bleach bath. I'm not going to tell you all what is entitled into a bleach bath because I do not recommend you doing it. And if you're a professional, you already know how to do it. If you're not a professional, then don't do it. I'm going to be honest with you all. Most African Americans' hair cannot take this. And to be honest with you, no other race can really take it either. But for some reason, her hair takes anything. So after I have stripped mostly all of the green color, I've gotten her mostly blonde. I only did her ends first, and then I gave her an extremely deep conditioner. So if you do this, you must do a cholesterol conditioner. So when I go back in with her roots, I am going to go over all of the green that I did not get with bleach. And so we're going to go back in, but like I said, she has a deep cholesterol conditioner, and I don't know if you all have ever used cholesterol. It makes your hair very stiff and hard, but what it's doing is sealing it in so that the blonde will not break and shrivel up and fall off. So that helps. Okay, so I have dried her hair totally under the dryer, and then I blow dried it a little bit, and I took about 1.5 inches off. Because as you know, when you do blonde, I'm messing with her. As you know, when you do blonde, it gets extremely brittle. Okay, so now I'm going back in and I'm going to bleach her roots. And doing this type of process is a double process, sometimes a triple process. We were able to do it in one day because anytime I change her hair color, I go to the blonde and I only use a temporary rinse, so that when it is time to strip the color out, it's actually easy. So if you like to change color often, then just use rinse. And ladies, African American ladies, Caucasian ladies, whoever, if you just go in and buy you some 613 hair, you can do this same process with weave. You don't have to worry about it. You do not have to do this to your natural hair. And like I said, I do not recommend it. And I mostly will not do my clients. I know the texture of their hair, and if their hair can take it, and I feel like their hair can't take color, you're not going to get it. But like I said, I've been coloring this woman's hair for 11 years. She's had every color in the book. Okay, so now her whole head is blonde. All of the green is gone. I did a yellow out conditioner just to get some of the yellow out so that the rinse would take. But like I said, this is a mixed chick, by the way, so her hair could take a little bit more. But as you see, she's always had thin hair on the top, but it really doesn't matter with her hair being colored. She just has thin hair on the top. That's just the way her hair is. Okay, so now we're gonna get started into the My Little Pony. I'm using 5 different rinses, and I'm using the twist out method. So what you do, that's I'm using all Adore color, by the way. That is Adore Fiesta Pink. So what I do is take a nice chunk from the bottom, and I'm going to bathe it in the Fiesta Pink for the first section. Oh, wait a minute. It would help if I open up the top. Okay, so I'm taking the Fiesta Pink. Then what you do once you put the color on, you just twist it. Then you gotta wipe all that color off your hand with a glove. Then the next color I'm doing, what is that? I think that's blue. Indigo blue. Yeah, indigo blue. Twist it. Next one I'm doing is neon pink. Wipe my hands off first. Twist it after you put the color on. And you're gonna continue to do this all up and down the head. I think that's lavender. No, that's not lavender. That's purple. Raging purple. Twist it. Okay. Now, you're going to take all sections and then just continue to do the different colors however you want to do it. So I used Fiesta Pink, lavender, indigo blue, neon pink, and raging purple. Those are the 5 colors I use. So I'm just going to continue to do this throughout the head. I'm going to shut up talking because I'm doing a lot of talking. If you have any questions about what I did, how I did it, what should you do to your hair or your weave, let me know in the comment section below. I answer all questions all day long. I will answer whatever you want me to. So let me finish up.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind, right now just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through?
Okay, so this is how it looks once I've applied all the color. We're going to let that sit for about 40 minutes. And then we're going to rinse it out. And we're going to go over it with a softening conditioner. Because like I told you, the cholesterol conditioner strengthens the hair. So it makes your hair kind of hard and stiff. So once you do the cholesterol, you need to go over it with just a basic softening conditioner. I think I used Paul Mitchell. I don't remember. I got so many different conditioners. Yeah, I did use Paul Mitchell. Okay, so now I'm just going to blow dry her, and we're going to get into curling her. All right, guys, you can see that's a huge difference. Way different contrast from the green we started with a couple of hours ago. All right, let's get into curling her hair.
Hit you up 9:30. Say let's go for a ride. City lights in the sky. Top down, close my eyes. We got no place to be. Driving around aimlessly, thinking about the past and now. Leave the stress, let's clear the clouds. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. 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 I just wanna go to an island. I'll be sipping on some iced tea. Take me away to an island. Wanna feel the Maui breeze. Maybe I can go to Paris. Say bonjour to the Arc de Triomphe. Or maybe I can go to Ibiza and dance till the sun comes out. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. 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 Wanna get away now. Get away now. It's a syndicate at night, blasting playback in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut, no worries. Please get back early.
Now, superstars, tell me she don't look like the sweet little character, Sweetie Belle in My Little Pony. Just adorable.
Please get back early.
And yes, if you haven't already guessed, purple is my ultimate favorite color. So if you tell me I can do whatever I want in your hair, it's probably going to have something to do with purple.
Running from pub to club like bloodhounds. From 10 till 6 a.m. And no one knows.
Okay, shake it. Nope, that's not correct. Nope. You just said. There we go, Lisa. Finally, pure shakeability. All right, those curls are popping. She's got her purple rainbow going. And that is the final look. I think I did a great job coming off of emerald green hair. Do y'all really know how hard it is to get green out of people's hair? It's hard. It takes a professional, trust me. All right, guys, that is all. I'm about to send her on her merry little way so she can get out and enjoy the sun. All right, Lisa, cutie pie. As always, superstars, thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted for a new video. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.